Hi, my name is Manny Wolf and I am the CEO of We School. We School is a bold, visionary new approach to education that meets every child where they are and fosters their own unique learning styles. No more studying to the test. No more having to start at a certain time and end at a certain time. No more bells and rote memorization. We see an educational environment that embraces technology. Think about this for a moment as an example. You're at home. You put on a pair of glasses, and through those glasses, right in your living room, you see the rest of your classmates. You can actually attend class, the same class, as other kids from all over the world, from anywhere you are at the time. This would allow location independence for parents. This would allow kids to stay home when they needed to without missing a day of school. This would free up so much. Plus, it would be bolstered and augmented by the power of virtual reality and augmented reality. We see a bold new future and a revolution coming in education at We School. If you'd like to know more, follow the link below to get on our mailing list.